Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Jason, and today I'm going to insulate my garage doors. Summer is right around the corner, and if you're looking for ways to cool down your garage, this is the best upgrade you can do on a budget. My 20-year-old house came with insulation that was already installed on the garage doors, but they're old and worn out. I'm doing a new series of videos focused on how to upgrade garages. If that's something you're interested in, please like and subscribe for more. Now let's get straight into it. This project cost me less than $200. I researched a handful of different material to buy from our garage doors. I was aiming for a nice clean look that offers a decent amount of heat barrier. I researched so many different types of insulation on Amazon. I ended up passing on all of them because I found a pretty good product at Lowe's. Insole Foam sells a garage door kit that fit my garage door panels. These panels wouldn't have worked with my other garage doors, so make sure you take note on what size door panels you have. I bought 3 kits for $55 each. The total price I paid was $167 after tax. The only tools you need for this project are a tape measure, straight edge, and a box cutter. It's best to get a box cutter that extends longer out than the foam, but you can use a standard box cutter like I did. Before I started cutting and installing the insulation, I figured it would be a good idea to clean up and paint the garage door frame. I didn't want to spend much time doing this, so I just did a quick wipe down and I sprayed it with some extra black paint that I had from another house project. I honestly didn't care for the overspray just because most of it's going to get covered by the new insulation. You don't have to paint your door frame like I did, but I figured, you know what, why not? Now let's get back to the insulation. The easiest way to do this and maintain a clean look is to measure and cut a piece of insulation to fit inside of each side frame column. From there, measure the final surface area and cut to spec. The insulation is designed so that you can bend it slightly to fit. Now for the windows. I found it was best to make a template out of cardboard and cut the foam accordingly. There's not much to this project, but it takes time. During the summertime, I noticed it helped lower my garage temperature by almost 20 degrees, which is worth it because I spend a lot of time in my garage. Most people don't even notice this kind of stuff, but all the small things add up to make a nice looking garage. If this video is helpful, please leave a comment on other garage projects that you'd like to see. See y'all in the next video.